Okay, so today what we're going to do for Fitness in a Flash is just kind of a yoga flow, just some stretching, some working on some balance. So what we're going to do is just a basic forward fold just to get started. We're going to go up and down just to kind of get loose. So we'll do this here for a few seconds. Get our back nice and loose. If you can't go all the way down, that's fine. You can just touch your knees. Whatever works to get your body a little bit more loose before we do some more yoga. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna stand. If you have your chair handy, that's good. So we're just gonna stand, arms up. So working here to just kind of loosen our shoulders, get our chest open. So have those elbows right by your ears. So I know you gotta stand back a little bit so you can see. So we're just gonna take some deep breaths here. Again, getting that chest open, shoulders loose. Okay, and then I'm gonna step forward with my right foot, whatever is comfortable for you. So I'm gonna step forward here. Again, keeping those arms high, stretching out that hip flexor. And you can go as far forward as it feels comfortable. Okay, so here's the fun part. Then we're gonna step forward onto that front leg. So you can stay here if you want to keep your toe on the ground. You can lift that toe up a little bit, lean forward, or you can make this as challenging as you want. If you want to lean all the way forward, if you have space for it, if you've got the balance or you want to hang on to something, stay all the way forward. I'll just kind of go moderate here. Don't forget to breathe. Right, and then going back into that lunge position. More static movements today. All right, then stepping back, then we're gonna do the other side. So, stepping forward with that opposite leg. Sure, I'm in view. All right, hands high. Again, chest open. Elbows at those ears if you can, kind of stacking the shoulders. Lean into that stretch. Making sure you're looking forward. Sometimes we crouch our necks. All right, here's the fun part again. Choose your own adventure as far as how far you want to go. So you can stay here, keep that toe down for balance. You can lift that toe up. And then kind of choose whatever angle feels most comfortable. If you want to go straight forward, sometimes it's easier to look forward. So again, if you want to stay more moderate, or if you need to hang on to a chair. Keep those arms high. All right, back into that lunge. Again, open that chest up. Then we're just gonna do a forward fold. You can do feet wide or feet together. We'll do feet together next. All right, and then bringing feet together. You can either place your hands on your knees or down at your feet. Kind of roll those shoulders down. Let your head hang. And then we'll do an overhead stretch. And switch sides. All right, and then we'll do our inhale and exhale just to kind of slow us down. So inhaling on the way up, exhaling on the way down. 2 more times. Inhale, big breath. exhale. And last time. Exhale. All right. Nice job, everyone. Have a great rest of your day.